When I think of fall, I think of the numerous colors that it brings. The cool, crisp air that makes our days the absolute coziest. This year, I wanted to achieve a space that felt warm and inviting without feeling overwhelming. I accented our home with warm hues of burgundy, subtle browns, and layers of neutrals in between. The living room is where we spend most of our time. We like to cuddle up here and binge our most favorite TV shows or watch through a series of movies. Right across from the living room, we have our dining space. We're still on the hunt for the perfect dining table, but with all due time. This space has developed over the years and is actually one of my favorites to decorate. One of my dreams would be to extend these shelves all the way across the wall and have one dedicated space for coffee. It would be the ultimate dream coffee station. If you look to your left, you're greeted by this beautiful hutch that I've poured my blood, sweat, and tears into. With that being said, this hutch has also come a long way. With long days of hard work, I can finally say that I'm in love with this piece. I styled this hutch very minimal, but still made sure to bring in those moody fall colors. Standing from inside the kitchen, you're able to get a glimpse of the living and dining space all in one, which is what I'm most thankful for. Whether I'm busy in the kitchen, preparing meals for my family, or washing a sink full of dishes, I'm still able to enjoy them and not miss out on all the fun by being blocked by a wall. Right off to the left of the front door, we have this small entry space that I've decorated with a rattan pumpkin and this beautiful deep brown bowl from the Threshold collection at Target. Candles are a must for me all year long, but especially during the colder seasons. Not only do candles bring in good smell, but they also bring you back to those nostalgic holiday memories. Last but not least, we have our hallway. I didn't do too much to the space because we already have a lot going on in the rest of the apartment, so I wanted to keep the space very minimal. I did incorporate a few floral pieces into this space, and that was about it. Like I said, very minimal. But that is going to be the end of today's fall home tour. I really hope that you guys all enjoyed it and were able to grab as much inspiration as possible. I know that this home tour is very short but sweet, so give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.